Hey, welcome back, guys. So today we are talking about the Cash App, and more specifically, we are talking about a potential $10 Cash App referral bonus and if it actually exists. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you haven't downloaded the Cash App yet, be sure to check the description below. I'll be sure to leave my referral link there, or you can easily download it through the App Store or on Google Play. So I'm going to go ahead and open my Cash App now. All right, so here we are in the Cash App home screen. If you're not familiar with Cash App, basically what it is, it's a cash transfer system set up for peer-to-peer payments. So if you owe a family member or a friend or an employee, whoever, as long as they have Cash App, you can send money between you and them. And usually there's no fee involved with that if you are going to be using a bank account, not a credit card. But that's not what we're talking about today. What we are talking about is a $10 Cash App referral bonus. So I see this on the internet pretty often, usually in the YouTube comments or on Facebook or on Twitter. And some people say that they have access to a $10 referral bonus through Cash App. Well, here's the thing with Cash App, if you refer someone to use Cash App and they do not have an account, once you sent them your referral link and they enter their banking information, and then they also perform a $5 transaction. So if they send somebody $5, it can't usually be the same person they got the referral from. But as long as those steps are accomplished, Cash App has a referral bonus of $5. So it's kind of cool. Whoever had referred you to Cash App, they get $5. And then whoever the new user is, they get $5 as well. So that's $10 total, but it's not $10 to one particular person. And the way you can verify that is it's pretty easy. You just click here on the settings tab, right here, this little circle. If you submitted your picture might be there. And then right here at the top, it says invite friends, get $5. So that is the bonus that is available through Cash App. So why do some people tell you that they have a $10 referral code? Well, the thing is, there's a lot of Cash App referral codes and messages out there in the world. So to differentiate their code from the next person's, a lot of times people will lie and say that they have a $10 referral bonus that is attached to their Cash App. And why would they do that? Well, that's just to entice you to use their link instead of someone else's. And by the time you get through the link and then you enter your information and you perform the limited amount of tasks that Cash App requires, all of a sudden you have $5 in your account. So it is not necessarily a scam, but they are definitely lying when they say that their code gives a $10 referral link and everyone else's is only $5. Again, that's only a reason or a way to trick people into using their particular code. Now, Cash App's a pretty big company and they've been around for a long time. So it is possible at one point or another that they start offering a $10 referral code, but I wouldn't hold my breath for that. Probably not likely, especially since it's getting more and more popular as the days go by. But as of right now, mid 2019, the only referral bonus that I've seen through Cash App is the $5 referral fee, where the referrer gets $5 and the new user gets $5. So that's $10 total between the two people, not $10 for the new user. So just kind of keep that in mind. If you see a $10 referral link out there in the internet and have been tricked by it, be sure to leave me a comment below, let the rest of us know. Or if you actually have a $10 link that you used previously in the history of Cash App, also leave me a comment about that. But hopefully you found the video useful, and if you have any questions, leave me a comment. I always try to answer whenever possible. And thanks a lot for watching. Hope to see you on the next video.